So I'm going to go back to the town that we've been to like 1,000,001 times. Because I want to go around. Now I do have a backup plan in case this vehicle dies, like properly, completely goes tuts. I've got a vehicle I'm working on in this town. And there is an engine in this town as well. I would just need, I think, 2 more tyres. But I've got like a spare, I think I put the battery in there. So let's just drive around this way. See, where does that take you? Oh, hang on, I've just got to check. Oh, it just takes you up to nowhere. Maybe. I don't feel like I've been up there either. I don't feel like I've been up to this hunting area. Past the old west town. Might need to go up there as well, but I'm just going to head up around this way and see if I can head round. Do you know what I'm saying? I assume we can go that way. Coming through, learner driver, learner button driver. Right, I'm just going to off-road it. Shouldn't really, but needs masters. Just like that road just appears out of nowhere. So this area up here that we're going to says a work in progress. It feels like every time you go to a work in progress area, it starts to rain. It's like the Truman Show. It's like nothing up here. Do you know what I mean? Or is that where we're at? Where the road ended? Just hoof up here and see what risks await us. It says multiple houses. Multiples. It's more than one house. It could be that. Or it could be this one. Is there a lake anywhere? There is a lake. Okay, so maybe right here then. Here. I feel like the game gets mad at us for like going into places we shouldn't. Oh, firewood. I do actually need firewood. Why is it just strewn about in here like so? Ooh. Yeah. Look! Let there be light. So I managed to get this Jenny up and running. I didn't need to build the other Jenny, but I guess if I have it running. Isn't that cool? It's not too noisy and inside the back, but you can't really hear it. Look how cuddly and cozy that is. So I wonder now if I can put some lights elsewhere. In here would be nice, wouldn't it? Yeah. Right here actually. It's exciting, isn't it, having light? I feel like, you know, we're making progress. Yeah, we'll do. Turn it on. Oh my goodness, that's bright. That's so nice, isn't it though? It's so nice. In your faces. We got light. And that's going to last for like 4 days if I left it running full on, which I won't, obviously. I shall turn them off at some point when it gets light. But isn't that lovely? I can turn this one off now, can't I? That one. F is off. Wow, that is really dark without it though. I love it. What do you need? Gears. I have the gear. Oh, I didn't have a hammer, did I? Oh wow, that's not in the right place at all, is it? Maybe that'll take some time up. There you go. Not really, but my god. As they say, it's always darkest before the dawn, isn't it? Oh my god, that is so cozy. Isn't it? Isn't it though? Can you actually... Does it want to sit over this fire, guys? It just sort of doesn't look like it does. I mean, that looks a bit better, doesn't it? Right, so I haven't actually come across carrots in this game. Or broccoli. I saw one potato, I think, or two potato. I definitely saw a potato on one of the survivors that I rescued. Let's just have a little drinky poo. I think I'm just, you know, I'm gonna have to go back and see if I can pick off some of those. I just want to. I did kill one person, but I soon got shotted. I soon got shot up, didn't I? So, fishing stuff now. So hang on. Oh, that's a good point. Gear. Aha, fishing. Right. Okay. So, but I do have a line. I think you'll find. I've got a lure. Oh, I need to make a rod. Ooh. Okay. And a reel. A rod and a reel. Okay. That's right. I'm back. I can't leave well enough alone. I'm trying to recce to see how many of these dudes there are on the ground now. I think there's 5 on the ground and 1 up the top. And it's funny because when you're here, if I had a sniper rifle, I could just sniper them all because they don't move. They only get into action when you get close enough. That's a mist rolling in as well. That's great, isn't it? Did I not kill him? Killed 2 of them. Right, let's see if I can just shoot him. Right, he died. Wonderful. Where did they all go? A guy there? No. Seriously, do they disappear in the mist? Like, are they all on the hunt for me now? Is there a bed in here? Yeah. Oh, think it would let us have a little sleep? Or would the mist work in my favour? Okay, maybe not. I mean, maybe I should have though, you know? Maybe I should have. Ooh. That was dramatic. Now, if only the zombies had taken out those dudes, that would be fan-titty-tastic, wouldn't it? Did you not just see some zombie? Ah, yes. Go flying down this way. Oh, nice. I mean, he didn't take any, did he? Clearly. Ooh, yes, that's exactly what I need. Thanks, dude. I tape duct tape, but I don't really need it. It's for fixing stuff. Have they all... Have they all spawned back in now? Just keeping half an eye out. Sniper guy. Kinda need to shoot him. No! No! Damn it! I mean, it was a brave and stupid thing to do. Oh man, am I determined. So, oh no. Have I got no? Yeah, I've got like 1 ammo. So that's pointless, isn't it? He's already coming back this way. He's going that way. Oh, they literally switch paths. That's sucky, isn't it? Right, he's going that way. He's going that way. Who? Who? None of the others are alerted. Why? Who? The fuck? Is it him? Oh, it's just him. It's just him on his own. Isn't that weird? That's glitchy, but that's gone in my favour, really. Where is he? Oh, him. See, the moment I try and shoot him... Oh dear. So do try and get... Yes! Yeah, ha ha ha! Oh god, I haven't got much ammo left if I... Alright. Yes! Yes! Guys, I think we got them. I think we got them. Quick save. Hell, yes, I think we got them. Why would I want a broken shotgun? Why would I want a broken shotgun? No. The other thing I want to do, obviously, is rescue the Woofer, but I'll leave that for now. I don't know if I need lockpicks. Oh, I just realised I might need a lockpick for that. Oh, I do need a lockpick. Oh no, I need a lock number. Okay, I need to have a little look around for a lock number. Okay. Yay, we took out our first bandit cow, and we're going to save the Woofer. Hell to the yes. Oh hi guys. Shame you can't take their clothes. I didn't realise that. Ooh. Hell yes, I want a raincoat. Excuse me, sir. Equipment. Hell yeah. Yeah, look at me and my bright yellow Mac. No one will see me coming. What if I can repair that? Ooh, he's got backpack stuff going on. He's important, isn't he? Yeah. Hell yeah. Ooh. Well, of course. Tactical glove. Yes, I want that. Not really. Not really want those either. Leather glove. See, all the protection is bad. I don't know why. But well, we'll drop that there. I'll go for a Moochie again. Maybe I do just need to be careful in case there's one more lurking up here, you know. Just in case he's... Dude, so where is he? Did he fall off? Huh. Oh yeah, he's out there. Okay. He is splatooned all over the place. Oh, this is... Ooh. I wish that was backpack slots. Ooh, 50 cal? What for? I don't have a 50 cal weapon, do I? Ooh. So many goodies. Oh, why can't I take a stove? Yeah, I can stack up all those. Yeah. Oh, sure. Wow, that looks good. Oh, I can take that. Oh my god, I can take it. Right, let me see. Now, is that 9916? 9166. They're very clever, aren't they? Oh, it's the one. So 9166. 9166, everybody. 9166. I mean, why would they just keep the code there? That's weird, isn't it? Right, no backpack slots. So now we have to go and build our woofer some stuff. Let me just go. Excuse me, coming through. Let me just go inside. Let's do here. I mean, yes. Rifle ammo, yes. Duct tape, yes. Why is everything getting? Is it because it's raining? Oh, my battery's gone. Great. Probably because it's raining, everything's getting wet, right? Well, I'm assuming. I'm making assumptions here, right? I've got to remember where I parked. I think I parked over that way. Hell yeah. 9166. Ah. Hello. Yeah, shut that right on up. Wonderful. This is a great start. Oh, this is a great start. No. Interact. Feed. While on attack, command switch to target. What the hell have I just done? The dog has some, he's interesting. Interact? Are you coming? No. How do I get the dog to... Oh, I do! Whee! Right, does this mean we're friends now? Yes. I'm gonna head out. Oh, he is following me. Hell yes. Okay, awesome. I'm sure the car was this way somewhere by a tree. Oh no. Hi, Leo. Could you go and fetch the car? Could you go and sniff it out? Where is he? Oh, there it is. Hey. Ah, there it is. I did drive quite far towards the other base. Shame you can't see your... Oh, you can see your belt wiggling. That's very realistic. Can't see my yellow Mac though, can you? I bet they can see it from space though. Right, so the dog's a bit glitchy. I see, okay. Yeah, hell yeah. Right, so... Does that mean I can go... Can't look behind you, can you? That's the problem with this vehicle. I think we're going back this way. That thunderstorm ended like abruptly, didn't it? Yes, Leo, yes. Now we need to go and build you a pet home and a bowl, don't we? Yeah, so that's the sawmill down there. Yeah, so I came up here and that's where they shot me. Shot me dead the first time I came up here. But we took them on and we did it. It wasn't very pretty and it took me multiple attempts. But I got there. I just wasn't, yeah, I wasn't confident. Hey, oh, don't look at me when I'm driving. Oh, is it distracting? Those liquid eyes. Full of trust and love and all the good things, you know? That's just... Hey, we're home. We're home, boy. Theo, we're home. Don't have a terror station. I really wish I did. Anyway. Ooh, exit. Oh, boy. Mama's been busy. Yes, that's... Oh, God, that's creepy. This dog behaves strangely. The dog is behaving strangely. Right, so let's build him A doghouse. Yeah, let's do the doghouse thing. Oh, hang on, it's probably not here, is it? It is. So we need, oh god, 12 wood. I've got those. 12 wood? 7 wood. Got 7, man. Did I just drop those on the floor like an idiot? Oh, I probably just dropped them on the floor like an idiot. I need a saw though, don't I, to do that? And probably a hammer. A build. Dog houses go outside, right? Of course they do. So look, oh, that's huge. That's a big one, isn't it? Right, why are you so close to me, weirdo? Okay. But we want it somewhere where he can access it, don't we? Easily. Oh my god, that made me jump. Why do my cats have to get all active? Like, why? Why must they be like this when I'm concentrating? Mama's concentrating. Outside, right? Oh wow, that's a special kind of glitch. Please tell me it doesn't look like that one. Ah, that's it. I knew we can move it anyway. That's so awesome. Hey, that's yours. That's yours, baby. Doesn't tell you when he's hungry or not, does it? I want to make a pet bowl for him as well, which I guess should be here too. Just for scrap. Okay. I can do that, no problem. I've got loads of scrap in here. I am a loot goblin. I know. Shocker. Right? Shocker. Let's put a little water bowl there. Build it. So do we have to put water in it then, I'm guessing? Interact. Hell yeah, we do. No? Okay. Do we put food in it? What do we do with it? Oh, yeah, you put food in it. Okay, cool. So does he not have a water bowl as well? I'm just saying. Right. Guess what we're gonna do? That's right. We're gonna turn this bad boy on. Look how cozy that is. Okay guys, so we have built up the base a little. We have a woofer. I don't know how long he'll stay for. We have some light. We have generators going on. We have another campfire with a cooking pot. I've got nothing to put in it yet. Don't know where to find carotties. Probably farming area, so I need to go and look for stuff like that. We took down a bandit camp, jankily. We've made a repair station. We've got this. I did make this. It's my other Jenny. Do some lights back here as well. But I'm in love with it. I love it all. And yeah, we're doing okay, man. We're doing okay. I've just got to finish off a few of the fortifications. We built our woofer a little home and a little pet bowl or two. I wanted to put water in it, but it wouldn't let me. I mean, dogs need water, right? Anyway, so it's been a blast. I don't know about you guys, but I am enjoying the hell out of this game. And there is so much more you can build in this game. Yes, Leo. And there's mines. We need to go down into the mines, but I need to get a lot more ammunition for that. And I'd like to start making Molotovs. That's what I'd really like to start making. That's on our agenda for next time. And I mean, you can make tree bases as well. That might be interesting to make in the future. But I also need to get enough stuff together to build some kind of garage somewhere. So anyway, for now, I'm going to say thank you for watching. It's been awesome. I hope you're enjoying it as much as me. I'm not as good as other people playing this game online on the YouTubes, via YouTubes. I am but a normal person. I am, you know, just average, but we're getting there, you know? We are getting there. We are enjoying ourselves. Is that a toy car on top of that? Oh, whoops. Now I'm in an awful place. No, it's just, I thought it was a toy car on top of that. Anyway, so yeah, home sweet homesicles. We are enjoying ourselves muchly, and I'm really, really enjoying the cozy vibe, you know, the light. that is spewing forth from thy generator. It's lovely, isn't it? And we could think about building a floodlight or some kind of... Yeah, definitely a floodlight. Oh yeah, I want you. And you. And no, I don't... Yeah, no, I'll take you. You never know. You never know